How to create a Gmail account. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, for example Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc. Step 2. Go to the Gmail sign-up page. In the address bar, type www.gmail.com and press enter. You will be redirected to the Gmail sign-in page. Step 3. Click on Create Account. On the Gmail sign-in page, click on the Create Account link located below the login form. Step 4. Fill out the sign-up form. Enter your first name and last name in the respective fields. Choose a username for your Gmail account. This will be your email address, for example, username@gmail.com. Create a strong password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Step 5. Provide your phone number. Enter your mobile phone number to verify your account. Google will send a verification code via SMS. Step 6. Verify your phone number. Check your mobile phone for the verification code from Google. Enter the code in the provided field on the Gmail sign-up page. Step 7. Add recovery options. This step is optional but recommended for account security. You may choose to add a recovery email address or set up security questions for account recovery. Step 8. Agree to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Read through Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and if you agree, click on the checkbox to confirm. Step 9. Complete the sign-up process. Click on the Next Step button to complete the sign-up process. Welcome to Gmail. Congratulations, your Gmail account has been created successfully. You will be directed to your Gmail inbox, where you can start sending and receiving emails. Remember to keep your Gmail account credentials secure and avoid sharing it with others. Make sure to set up recovery options to help regain access to your account in case you forget your password.